I feel like in a world where there's more flash and more sizzle, those who have the stake and then can have like decent marketing on top of it
Sure.
will win. Like if you build a really strong defense first, which in this case, in my work, like that's developing my wisdom, my presence, my self-mastery. If I do that now, I'm going to have the benefits of that for the rest of my life. And ultimately it will differentiate me in the marketplace.
Yes.
And I'm going to like being me because I will have done my work.
Yeah.
And I've not really had a choice. It feels like the universe keeps, it's hard to explain it. I keep checking with myself and feeling, oh, I got to go deeper. And it's not because I'm avoiding work. I'm not afraid to work. I'm not,
Of course.
I like creating, and that, through the feel good lifestyle, I had many years where I was like creating and being really out there. And then it's like life just keeps me moving back inside and inside. And now I feel like I'm finally coming out of it. And I'm so excited to see what I can create and play the game of business after 4 years of such deep inner work and things I've never talked about publicly, of like what it felt like to go with it and to heal trauma and to feel all these like parts of me that were repressed and to do like really deep, challenging work to come back to wholeness, like super freaking messy. And most of it people never saw. Like when I'm in my bed doing trauma release exercises, which means literally inducing shaking in the body so that like traumatized energy and stuck energy can be released through the shaking. Like that is the thick of winter right there. Like I will guarantee you that you don't want to go share with the world and teach when you're in your bed shaking like a leaf, releasing trauma. But if you're willing to do that, and we're still young, like the game is still, like I'm going to work well into my 70s. I'm extremely confident about that. I still got more than 40 years.
That's
so if
crazy.
It takes 1 or 2 or 3 or even, God forbid, 4 years early on in the game to build a good defense, to get kind of like the fundamentals before adding some offense, so be it. And that's what I'm banking on. And I'm excited to see over the next decade, like, was I right? And I didn't really have a choice. It felt like what I needed to do anyways. And we all have our own path. But I feel like in a world where there's more flash and more sizzle, those who have the stake and then can have like decent marketing on top of it will win.
Yeah.
Because everyone's just out there, in summer all year long. So the few people that have gone through winter, and I think when we meet them, we feel like, oh, there's a deeper thing going on here. Like, what's this? How can I have it?
Yeah.
And so I think it'll be exciting to see, and I hope that there's people out there that we haven't even heard about that will come out, in the next year or two and be like these amazing teachers, because right now they're deep in their own work.